and not only Karbi will oppose in all Assam. Today we have protests against this government, against this totalitarian government, because we feel insecure. Now the indigenous people are insecure after introducing this Citizenship Amendment Bill. So Mr. Narendra Modi, don't try to compel us to hold a gun. If you are not going to abolish this, you're not going to scrap this, then we are always ready to hold a gun. And long live!
Long live! Long live!
Bangladesh!
Go back! Go back!
Bangladesh, go back!
Go back! Go back!
We oppose!
CFB!
We oppose! We oppose! We oppose! KSA long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! KSA long live! Long live! Long live! KSA long live! Long live! Long live! KSA long live! Long live! Long live! We oppose! We oppose! We oppose! KSA long live! Long live! Long live! 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 Narendra Modi, go back! Go back! Go back! Narendra Modi, go back! Go back! Go back! We oppose! We oppose! This is the warning to the central government. If the Citizenship Amendment Bill implemented, we, the whole state of Assam, we burn down. And Mr. Narendra Modi, don't try to compel us to hold a gun. We'll fight back against you. Mr. Go back! Go back!
Long live! Long live!
KSA long live!